Hi guys, I'm Ujjwal Dua again in front of you at the Lotus channel. So today I'm going to teach you this pink blushed makeup look which is very easy. It just requires only few basic makeup products and yes, you can create this makeup look, pink blushed makeup look with only some limited and very basic products. So yes, without wasting any time, let's get started. Hi guys, so I hope you liked this super easy and super pinky tutorial. I loved creating this video for you guys. I hope you loved it too. So keep supporting our channel, keep following us, subscribe to our channel, like, comment, share, and just give all your love so that I can come up with more such videos for you guys.